$100 cash or one Bitcoin?
$100 cash.
$100 cash.
$100 cash.
Burger King, Gucci, Apple, Lamborghini, Hard Rock Cafe, Papa John's, Adidas, Uber Eats, Walmart, Tesla, accepting crypto as payment. And hundreds of other brands of cars, appliances, clothing, and even fast food chains accept Bitcoin as payment around the world. However, despite these opportunities, people still often treat crypto without trust, preferring to use fiat money. Similar surveys on the streets of different cities around the world have shown that people often choose $100. After all, they can be taken in hand and spent in the nearest store immediately. And Bitcoin is something from the world of technology, which is still worth learning before dealing with it. But just look at this map where Bitcoins are accepted. Cryptocurrency payments are very popular for online purchases. PayPal, the largest debit electronic payment system, allows customers to buy, sell, and store cryptocurrency on their accounts. Global companies that accept Bitcoin: Newegg, AT&T, and Microsoft. Currently, Microsoft accepts Bitcoin payments only in its online store. You can buy goods with cryptocurrency at Overstock. This American company stocks almost any household goods. It was one of the first to accept Bitcoin on its website. Most brands approve cryptocurrency payments. Hublot, a luxury Swiss watch brand, was the first to dare to accept Bitcoin as payment. In 2022, they even released a limited edition collection of watches dedicated to the 10th anniversary of Bitcoin, Big Bang Mecca 10 P2P. Of course, they could only be purchased with Bitcoin. But crypto is not just about luxury goods. Your cryptocurrency can help you ensure your life and health, or make a charitable contribution to any foundation in the world that has its own crypto wallet. A trip to space is the icing on the cake when it comes to what to buy with cryptocurrency. The American company, which plans to organize tourist suborbital space flights, will gladly sell a ticket to space for BTC. Some websites, such as Alternative Airlines, provide access to buy air tickets with over 70 cryptocurrencies. If you do not use crypto for your payments because you are very worried about the fluctuations in the price of Bitcoin and are not sure that it will grow, just keep your money in stablecoins, which are always equal to $1. These are USDT, USDC, and other currencies. Do your own research and choose the one that best suits your considerations, and approach this issue thoroughly. After all, your money is your responsibility.